What's up guys, Sal here. So OnePlus is gearing up to launch its second flagship of the year, the OnePlus 8T, scheduled to launch either at the end of this month or early next month. Surprisingly, there won't be a Pro variant of the 8T this year. They're only going to launch the OnePlus 8T. And that makes sense since there isn't much left to differentiate the two handsets. Anyway, OnLeaks revealed a full 360-degree look of the OnePlus 8T alongside the whole specifications of the handset, which shows that OnePlus will blow most of the smartphones out of the water in one of the departments. First off, the phone looks like this. A huge camera module at the back to go along with other huge camera module phones you've seen recently. It's kinda justified on flagship phones from Samsung and Huawei because they offer camera specs to back it up. But here on the OnePlus 8T, I think it's totally unnecessary. It feels like OnePlus is following a Me Too movement in the smartphone world by putting that huge camera setup to make it seem like it can go toe-to-toe with Samsung's and Huawei's of the world. But in fact, it's just a dual camera phone. Yes, there are 4 cameras out there, but 2 of them are straight up trash. One is a depth camera and another is a macro camera. Both of the effects can be achieved from the main lens itself. But the good thing is, the main camera is seeing an upgrade. It's gonna have a bigger sensor compared to the OnePlus 8. It's coupled with a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The front camera is 32 megapixel by the way. Charging speed is where OnePlus is going insane mode. That 30 watts of warp charge was already fast enough, but they are taking it to a whole new level on the OnePlus 8T as it's gonna offer a 65 watts of warp charging. This charger has already been revealed by Oppo, which by the way is a sister company of OnePlus, which shows that it can fully charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 30 minutes with a 27% charge in just 5 minutes. Oppo pulls off these speeds using gallium nitride semiconductors and has 5 different safety measures throughout the wire, adapter and handset. Integrated circuits are built into the adapter itself, so heat is dissipated before it ever reaches your phone. Since Oppo and OnePlus share almost everything, even their looks, it's safe to say we're gonna see the same charger on the OnePlus 8T with some rebranding. A couple of years ago, I used to think that such things were pointless. I mean, why do you even need such fast charging when you can just charge it overnight? That changed when I actually got a fast charger. There are many instances where you quickly need to refill the phone. I no longer need to bring a bulky power bank with me and instead just pop the phone on the wall charger during short bursts whenever I sit down anywhere with a wall outlet. Not to mention I've stopped leaving the phone plugged in overnight. So good to know companies are making our life easier with these fast chargers. But even with those charging safety measures Oppo and OnePlus has taken, we'll still have to see if that is gonna affect the life cycle of the battery. Other specs of the handset include Snapdragon 865, not the 865 Plus, a 4500 mAh battery, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage as standard. There's also a 12 to 56 GB version, and of course a 6.55-inch 1080p plus 120Hz AMOLED display, which is an improvement over 90Hz of the OnePlus 8. Of course, with that being said, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.